foods.
Good. I'm talking about all their nonsense. Holy shit! Katie, are you serious?
Do you like the sign? I thought the other one was a little more risque because you could see a little bit of her nipple. It's really nice fabric. Merry Christmas time.
You just want me to be a lesbian, don't you?
No! This was I bought this so long ago. I like it.
Thank you, Katie.
You're welcome.